Hi everyone, so today we are back with another makeover episode, and today we'll be changing the look for Ligita. You have seen Ligita in several styling episodes previously, and today we're gonna change the look from head to toe. So we're gonna create a different look for her hair and makeup, and also we're gonna experiment with style a little bit. So now let's have a look into several things that I am thinking for Ligita. So we have this beautiful top, and I was thinking to style it with this satin skirt, because last time when we did the video she wanted to try on satin skirt. So I'm thinking that we might do several looks, something a little bit edgier for like casual days, and then something a little bit smarter or more summerish depending on the shoes. We're gonna see how it looks for Ligita. And also I wanted to try something different, so I took this very colorful but still quite neutral pastel color dress with a little bit edgier shoe. It might work really nicely. So we're gonna see. We are starting with Ligita's hair. As you can tell, it really needs a good trim, and Lydia, hairstylist, suggested a classic bob hairstyle that would emphasize the beauty of the neck and collarbones. And now for the hair color, we decided to add some really delicate highlights to create a bit more dimension, yet keeping the same dark chocolate color, which really suits Ligita. So Ligita is already with new hairstyle. So the hairdresser put a little bit of highlights, and I think that it's really good solution, especially if you have thinning hair. So the highlights give an illusion of thicker hair. And also this haircut looks really great for Ligita because it again creates this very heavy and healthy hair look. And then makeup-wise, we have very natural look, and with the false lashes to open up a little bit of her eyes. And I love that we have quite a neutral lip shade, so I think that the accent is mainly focusing on her beautiful eyes. And clothing-wise, I really wanted to create something elegant, yet modern and stylish. And the final look for Ligita, and she is totally different because of the hair look. I really wanted to create something more elegant and like Parisian vibe. Those heels, they do have sharpness and edginess to them, so we still have very kind of modern vibe going on. And I also love that we do have open shoulders, so it's very feminine and sexy, but like in very subtle way. I also love earrings for Ligita. I think that it frames her face really beautifully together with the new haircut, and she looks just amazing. Ligita, how do you like?
Great, thank you.
Yay! And now we will move to one more sexy look. Why not? This abstract print really suits Ligita, and you know, these colors and vivid tones really brings out her feminine side. It is totally different from what she usually goes for. I also love that we again opening up her shoulder line, which is really beautiful. For the last outfit, we did some rock and roll because Ligita has that vibe, and she can totally pull off leather biker jackets. And as you can tell, her neutral coloring really allows her to wear gold and also silver jewelry. And it looks just stunning either way. Also, Ligita is high in contrast, meaning she can wear darker tones, and black can look very elegant on her, as you can tell. And that is it for today's makeover. We're gonna be filming together with Ligita another episode styling satin skirt, because satin skirt will be a new item in Ligita's wardrobe. So we're gonna style and play around. And for today, thank you so much, Giedre, for makeup, and also Lydia for the hair look for Ligita. Thank you everyone, and ciao ciao!